Hi, good morning. This is Adam with Response Crew. Today we're going to be changing out two faucets. So these are Delta faucets. They're actually really great faucets, but after time it got corroded and we couldn't get the screw out, so we had to drill the screw out to change the cartridge. And since it's happening now on actually all four handles, we're having issues with. So the customer decided that we're going to change the faucets to a Glacier Bay. Glacier Bay is actually a Home Depot product. What I like about Glacier Bay is because it's a local Home Depot product, if it does go bad, there are issues, very easy to get parts for. And I'll show you pictures when we're done. Thanks. Alright, so here we are after the work was done. And you can see here's our new faucet, the Glacier Bay. That's our hot. There's our cold. So that you get a perspective. And that's the install. There we go.